Ebusia Kevin Taylor edin komo bi e dia fa chama ontumi nsensem a abeto abonten fa ne gold nsensem ho awope a kire se e kame akoye se from last 2 years na sha sia nsensem ba de fa ne gold nsensem ho ne company so a eye ma ye chi ne tumpa atwire ye timi e release na we na enra edagwai ya san afre chama ontumi sa na court a ye busa na ensem de fa ne gold nsensem yi ho na we na abeto ja say on the 3rd July na court say or the na no December abeto ja na we epe actually say anhwe na chama wontumi on the 3rd July no court action say onkoda efiase ana say ebe say betwa to bo bi ada no so a to bo no so ebeye ade emu beye dua ontumi emiti na say ne Kevin Taylor church nsem enkohwemra
judge cases in court. Asem we start here, Chairman Wontumi the witnesses aba. Attorney General so abe any case. You and I, we have all followed the case. Stories are omo lawyers Bible Antinia omoka. Any the Attorney General so APF quarter oka. At this point, I believe say we should allow the court to work. I will not sit here and prejudge the case because at the end of the day, there is a judge. What's that case we swear or control the judgment at the aba. Whatever reservations or whatever I think, it should be in my head. Because I cannot sit here and prejudge. I cannot be prejudicial about the case. The judge has about a month to write the judgment. So the young people on TV and radio, amunya every opportunity. Now, mo pesa mo judge case no. Chairman Wontumi was given the right to hire lawyers. He was given the right to get his facts. He was also given the right to bring in his witnesses. In fact, or the enough witnesses by Bekan Asemano. The Attorney General had every right to also interrogate the witnesses. Attorney General had every right to also put his evidence across. So they have all made their case. And I will advise the young people around, Ghana for more Ghana, Nemo Amuni Ghana. Let us allow the judge to bring his judgment. After the judgment, we can speak on it. I believe that Chairman Wontumi as a Ghanaian, no, he was given every support by the state to speak. Because you see, Obia and Chairman Wontumi, the Kasabwa shedding niyem, and Chairman Wontumi nowhere, from nowhere. We jina baby da anka say abino sebio emane kwan emane nkyere na adwene emane witnesses in kasa. There was never a day a Chairman Wontumi lawyer can say the witness we buy and a court na mpene. And the Attorney General so there was never a day or the document ma Chairman Wontumi lawyers go through almost a document with there or find the baller. So you can see say case occurs smoothly. Now let us allow the judge to write his judgment. Uwo bibia can let it stay in your head. Memeti mint na and judges our case no because the course of court in mini ho. Judge na akọ school, judge na nim and seven the no kre and the enya no kre. When they were cross-examining Chairman Wontumi and then the witnesses, na me no wuni ho. Judge ni nyabutre etie extra everything. It is up to the judge to write his final judgment to prove to Ghana for say asamno Wontumi di for ana on di for no. It lies with the judge. So I wouldn't advise anybody. Our platform to send me and answer what radio, so TV, so whatever, to sit and say, a case, this is, I believe, no, don't do that. Wrong. Court to crab it macho. It is very dangerous. Court to crab it macho. Let us allow the judge to do his job. Or then to me, I shouldn't say, or then at the court, or then a tear seminar from day one, Abyssin. Let us allow this judge to write his judgment. Or Charlie judgment we near reservation be about a judgment. You'll be about a judgment. That one we have the right to do it. But for now, I'm not going to sit here, use my platform to go and judge the case or prejudge the case. I'll judge in the country or 1 month to write. 3rd July the and what? And I would like to tell Chairman Wontumi and any team, they should also move away from going out there creating some impression. Which is say, the judge in the court, nobody knows what the judge is going to write. And I also advise the other part. Everybody should basically respect the court, respect the judge, respect the judge's decision. Ebana Chairman Wontumi di for, Chairman Wontumi eko, Ebana Chairman Wontumi di bima. The Chairman Wontumi has the right to do what? To appeal. So buying the echechere. Mema yam nyani to say enkrama bi ni egum na obi aka na adwene. So let us respect the court. Let us respect the judge. Let us respect the process. Technically, case way and NDA a judge na ekonya botre akotro the judgment oba ye be read judgment ni nyina ye be chire judgment ni nyina mu. So I will also plead with Ghanaians, yes ramo me aso me sra me ho, we should all stay away from trying to judge the case. Abra, there's a judge who is writing the judgment. We beg you, because the person on my way ye nyina etia say emra ene de chichire man no. Chairman Wontumi obian jail no. Chairman Wontumi obian case ni so be ko jail. Chairman Wontumi aka the case or court. Attorney General making the case. Chairman Wontumi making the case. Ye njama judge and trying the judgment. And when you sure that Chairman Wontumi has raised any issues on person judgment in Bebaso. Inti, let us not try to interfere. Let us not try to prejudge. Ocho bibi on Facebook, be careful. Ocho bibi or Twitter, or X, be careful. Or make a comment to be or TV so radio so about this case. Yeah, true judgment, you know. Be careful because assembly obey to my the jail. One shall more mokasa be bring jail judge whoever is going to whatever is going to come out. Intimacy Mome enjoy case na judge no ensure the judgment. Obe readia, then we can take it from there. All right. Medium yesuma for. Yesuma for. Yasuma me and yasumi be chechim. All right.
On Chairman Wontumi case, aye ni na yenim, and say, you know, edinkan ena the Attorney General, the charges to Chairman Wontumi so. Say asase ananke ni kwan se wokokotwa ema nkrofo no wakwa koton asase na ma nkrofo ma ye di 2 galamsey. And then the Attorney General from court proceedings no, they were able to put evidence across and they were able to make their points. Now Chairman Wontumi eye na adwen say nanka court mbo nsem ningu because Attorney General nsem a woka na nyansa anim. Ba court ne ka say Chairman Wontumi ombie ni defense. Na mama mo ati asese court ka se wo bi mbie ni defense pe. What it simply means indirectly, and they say, asemo ye dia tools so no ababi wom, evidence bi wom, inti brabe yi ho ano. Chairman Wontumi koye ekokoyi ne ho ano. Oko witness eye box mu, or present witnesses and all that. Na wo ha Chairman Wontumi koyi ne ho ano no kra no. Ensensem bebre bae. Allegedly, okotwa ntro eto interpreter so e wo court. Allegedly, Chairman Wontumi ye bisa nsem cross examination edu baby asopeso su ene nsensem mebre. Later, a judge ekatre Chairman Wontumi say, "Uwo witness ana witness ben ena wode ne babium. Na mepese me di ruling eba." Until later ne be hu say Chairman Wontumi e the additional witness aba. Additional witness no or ye the former Western Regional Minister. Otredakun ye kofa ne bae ono nso bae no ye ne cross examination ono nso keka nsem bia ase omo a wo ye analysis ewo nsem no so no omo tre a ono nso case a wo ba be ye no, you know, it depends on where you are. Omo ye NDC phone nsem omo kan say abrantie ana MP no MP no ana former regional minister in the case a oba be ye ewo court no anhye dan ko ama Chairman Wontumi. Even though Obasa Obekasa ma Chairman Wontumi, be muso tre say, oh, papa ne nsem oba be kan no ebeboa Chairman Wontumi ni case. Nti ho na judge ne ka so okay. Sisi a wa tie nsem ni na ewie. Wa ye ready so be ma judgment. Na the judgment are ode beba no July 3rd. Then that me ne ka say July 3rd is less than a month away. Nti in less than 1 month, judge the ruling beba. And this is here, baby, no, it is either Chairman Wontumi might be jailed. You bet to me, I can't say, Onchie Sikebi. And now say, Chairman Wontumi, Yebeka say, onye guilty. Ye heard him. But this ruling, and our judge ruling our bemano, it will serve as precedence. Ebimu semo mo can say, if we are serious about the fight against Galamsey, now indeed, you find out say Chairman Wontumi or ye bonia, e was a judge no echinitum. Say, judge neka se Chairman Wontumi ye bonina so or man is a and say won't ya there. Then it will hinder the fight against Galamsey. Or more crusaders are more quintia Galamsey no. That is what some of them are saying. But in less than a month, we will get to know what's going on. But Chairman Wontumi lawyer Edin Sema Babetuja na nsɛm a wɔde aba beto dwa no bɛpɛ sɛ yɛ kenkan na yɛhwɛ deɛ wɔka wɔ se defense confident Chairman Wontumi will be vindicated based on evidence. So see omo de omo akukuduro say Chairman Wontumi no yebe vindicate no se wondi bone based on evidence a womo de akone de Chairman Wontumi ndi bone no omo akukuduro say Chairman Wontumi court no ebe rule e woni favor. As a counsel for Bernard Entwibo Esiako, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi, lawyer Andy Appiah-Kubi says he is confident his client will be vindicated when the court delivers its judgment on July 3rd, 2026. According to him, the evidence and legal arguments presented by the defense strongly supports their position in the ongoing case. Also, we have put forward our case effectively within the law, and we are confident the outcome will reflect the facts presented before the court. He stated in a telephone interview on Movements in the Morning with Kweku Deuru. Lawyer Appiah-Kubi added that the court has directed the defense team to file its written address, which they are prepared to submit. He expressed optimism that the strength of their legal submissions would be clear upon review, insisting that the defense remains convinced of a favorable outcome. The case has been adjourned to July 3rd, 2026 for judgment. So basically, this is what is going on. And if you want to understand why some people are saying that Chairman Wontumi will be jailed, why some people are also trying to play the victim, say why are some NDC social media people already saying Chairman Wontumi will be jailed and all that. If you really want to understand what's going on, ascending in any. What do you think? Do you think Chairman Wontumi will be jailed? Not to be prejudicial, but we wait.
I have 240. Make sure to subscribe and like and share. To meet again next time. I'm out from Steve.